since no one else is here, I'm going to take off my mask so you can see my face. Hi, I'm Mrs. Kent, and I teach 6th grade social studies and language arts. Most of you will have me for social studies, but some will have me for both. This year in social studies, we're going to do a lot of exciting things. We're going to be learning about ancient civilizations, like the Mesopotamians, the Egyptians, learning about human origins through Africa, and even the Mayans in South Central America. In language arts, we're going to be learning about many different novels. We'll be reading some short stories, lots of different genres, do a lot of different writing activities. We'll do poetry. We'll do persuasive writing, so you convince your parents to get things that you want. And we'll also be working on parts of speech and grammar and all of those mechanics that everyone needs to know. So I'm really excited for this school year. I can't wait to see you all. And remember, the next time you see me, I'll be wearing my mask.